Oh Lord, I was recording the whole entire time, but I'm gonna use all this content.
Cook good and look good.
So I am about to do some shit I have not done in years. Go to Bath and Body Works and get some perfume. My lift is pulling up right now. We about to get it on and popping. I'm about to smell good, put on a whole ass opportunity of what was that? Me. And I'm gonna get some stuff from Whole Foods. You already know. Okay, so I am here, y'all. My Uber driver was amazing. I don't even need to have this because I'm not by nobody. As you can see, it's just me. I guess I got rid of the candy store, y'all. I'm up here passing by this local freaking plaza slash shopping mall. You know how they do. And they got rid of the candy store. I guess people do not believe in cavities anymore. Okay. So I gotta get me some headphones. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods, make a return for Mama Yummy, and then go and get some stuff from Bath and Body Works. It is Easter, so I don't know what is actually open. But you know, we gonna see. Whole Foods gonna be open. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the headphones. Apple store is closed. So I'm gonna take my ass to Whole Foods and give me some foods that's whole instead. And Whole Foods is open, y'all. Yeah, baby. We in this piece. Yo, it's so crazy recording nowadays because you used to be able to record anywhere and get all the footage, but now people don't be having masks on and you don't want to catch a case. See, I got a second job. I like to do a good walk around the store to catch the vibe before I'm up here shopping and whatnot. That way I can honestly see what they got cool going on. I know I'm going extremely fast, but I pay attention when it comes to food. Okay? But I really have to go return something for Mama Yummy. But before I do that, let me just hit the perimeters. Chocolates. They got wine up in here. And technically I can drink all this liquor, but I don't care for drinking. Hello. At all. So, ooh, and they got samples back, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm gonna get some cheese samples. So, one thing I can say is I don't like to eat cheese all the time, but I will take a sample. What type of cheese is this? Cabot Queemie. Oh, this local, the cheese. Cabot Queemie is a local dairy producer. It's not uncommon to see their products around Boston, but this is a local cheese, y'all. Yes. This cheese was good. I'm trying not to get addicted. I might come and get this cheese again because this cheese is busting. But yeah, kids still love cheese to this day, y'all. I had two kids in front of me, and one kid was like, give it to me in my mouth like this. And the other kid was like, their mom was like, do you want to try some? He was like, yeah. So some hard truths today. Did I return Mama Yummy stuff? Yes. Do I 100% know if I did it correctly? No. But there are live operators right by me, so hopefully, you know, they can put two and two together and make it do what it do, baby. I also have a situation where it is Easter And being that I don't celebrate Easter, I don't know nothing about this being a major holiday like it is. I know it is, but no, it never really sink in like how it sink in for other people. So y'all, I am confined to Whole Foods, which is not a hard truth that I have to be heard about at all. I'm just gonna be in here trying not to buy the whole store. How about that? So I'm gonna be looking down for some marked down products. I'm gonna be looking for some marked down products, y'all. And that's usually red tag or on sale, yellow tag. You usually see something like 4 for $5, $1 off. And if it's marked in red, it means it's last chance, or excuse me, it's green now. It's been a long time since Mama Yummy worked here. So I had to get the algorithm of the store back right. Ooh, and they got some tapioca flour and some cauliflower flour. Say that 3 times. So give me uno momento and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I am back home. It is Easter, so ain't nothing was open besides Whole Foods and the movie theater, child. And there wasn't really nothing planned that I wanted to see besides what I can buy at home. So what I ended up getting from Whole Foods is some tapioca flour, some freaking mangoes, some key limes, that cheese that was on display, and some olives that are marinated with or pickled. I don't even know. I wasn't paying attention. Me and my mom get this all the time though. And preserve. Olives preserved with lemon and garlic. It's bussin'. You know how they be having olive charcuterie or whatnot. But that's pretty much it. Oh, and some kombucha, baby. Some mango mystic, I believe, kombucha. So yes, love, we are on and popping. I ain't no show stopping. Ain't a who now. And that was a great little trip. I thought I was gonna be out longer, but you know, I got what I needed, and I got a little discount because I got a coupon. And yes, I did use food stamps. It's your girl Queemie Jones. Have a great day. Bye. Yes, that was a vlog. I don't know how I'm singing Mary Jane and Munchie's theme song, but go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube page there.